So it's been raining today in Lagos, Nigeria, and I didn't know what to do. I couldn't go to the market, but I was hungry. I didn't know what to do. I made this with just few ingredients I had at home. I didn't buy anything from the store, just few ingredients, and I just mixed everything. And then I came up with this delicious looking pasta, as you can see. So the first thing I did was to add some ingredients, some spices to my meat that I cut very sliced. You can see some of the ingredients are garlic, curry, thyme. I added oyster sauce, and then I just mixed that and allowed that to marinate for a few hours, like 2 hours thereabout in the fridge. And once that was marinated, I greased my pan with coconut oil, and then when it was hot, I added the beef. Then I allowed this beef to fry. I don't know if I should say fry or grill because there was barely any oil in it. Anyways, I just stirred this and made sure it was well cooked. The beef was thinly sliced, so it was very soft. It wasn't chewy. And I just allowed this to sit on the stove for some minutes while I went to slice my vegetables I'll be using. I used carrot, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and some other stuff. I added more sauce to this because the taste was, I tasted it and I didn't really like the taste, so I just added a bit more and allowed that to fry. Then after frying, I set it aside. So in a clean pan, I added coconut oil, just fine coconut oil, and then added some onions to it, added chopped garlic, and allowed it to fry a few seconds, just for the onions to bring out its natural taste and aroma. And then I added some carrots to it. Look at the way I sliced the carrots. The carrots were like chewable because they were thinly sliced. And then I added some green chili to it, green chili pepper, and then I allowed that to fry for a few seconds as well. And then I added my red bell pepper. Then I just fried it for a few seconds. And then I added the beef to it. As you can see, the beef is looking so juicy. It wasn't dry. I didn't fry it dry. It was still very juicy and then very soft. And then I added the green bell pepper. Forgive me for my video because the ratio of my video, I just have to give my left hand to control everything, to control the camera. And at this point, I added more oyster sauce, just a bit by bit. Please don't add everything all at once. You just have to be tasting to make sure that you don't over add. And then I added soy sauce, just a bit of soy sauce to it. Yep. So bit by bit, please. At this point, I added the plain pasta. That was all I had at home. I had a plain pasta. I just wanted something that will be easy to cook and just some few available ingredients at home because, like I said, it was really raining heavily in Lagos, and this was all I had in my kitchen, so I had to make do. So after adding the plain pasta, I fried this. The plain pasta was already cooked. Sorry, I didn't show that part. Yeah, I just put it in a big pot of boiling water, added some oil to it, and make sure it was cooked to my satisfaction because I will not be frying this, long. So this is the plain pasta. It was so good, so very nice. I just make sure that the plain pasta absorbs all the ingredients in it, and then that was all. It was like very easy to make and very nice, very delicious. If you know you're just stuck at home and you don't know what to cook, you can just make something like this. See how beautiful it is. And then I chopped some oregano leaf to garnish it. Look at how beautiful it is. Let me know if you're going to try this, and thanks so much for watching my video till this point. I love and appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Kindly comment what you think about this, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Bye.